Daghang salamat, President BBM, sa bugas na tag-20.
Dagan kayong salamat, President Bongbong Marcos, sa tag-20 na bugas.
Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Quebran sa Dimaporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, and I'd like to proudly and happily announce that we have officially launched our President's 20 pesos bigas here in the province of Lanao del Norte. Today we had representatives of the Department of Agriculture Family, the NFA, the region, FTI, be present in the provincial capital for a MOA signing so that we can release 20 pesos na bigas from the NFA warehouses here in Lanao del Norte. So we've already started the rollout of the program. Our target now is to make sure that Lanao del Norte can maximize the program of the national government in our different barangays and municipalities. Ang nakita ko na bottleneck is the encoding of the database needed by the Department of Agriculture on who are the beneficiaries that can avail of the 20 pesos na bigas from the national government. Ito yung mga groups under the Farmers Association, groups under the Fisher Folks Association, also the marginalized members of our communities, itong mga senior citizens, PWDs, single parents, and indigents. So rest assured that the provincial government will work double time so that we can get everybody encoded properly para ma-receive sila ng 20 pesos na bigas from the national government. So again, daghan salamat sa atong Pangulo, President Bongbong Marcos, for rolling out the 20 pesos bigas dinhi sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte.